Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, so we got the F99 Pro right here. Now, the difference between the Pro and the F99 is that this is the difference. You get a rotary dial. So I purchased the regular F99 Pro, sent it back because I wanted the volume control right there. It makes it nice and easy. Instead of hitting a function and something to control the volume going up and down, it's like, no, spend the extra money, extra $10, and oh yeah, got to say, it's got a great dial. It's got like nice little clicks. Sometimes, sometimes the dials are kind of at that, they just rotate, but this one's got a pleasant feeling click to it. I like it. It was worth it. Anyways, so this is a mechanical keyboard with linear switches. It is fantastic. I got to say, if you're not using a mechanical keyboard, get one, buy one, and then take the keyboard that you have and toss it because you probably have the cheap plastic one, membrane one that is just not very good. It's, little things that make a difference for your enjoyment of sitting in front of a computer, and this is really important to make it a little better every day. Anyway, so let's go over it real quick. Full size 99 key keyboard. It is not quite full length. I believe it's about 15% shorter than a full length one. You can see here it's got a little more space, a little less space, not more space, a little less space between more normal keyboards they give you with your computer. But it's fine. I got large hands and I have no issues typing. Feels great, the linear keyboard. Let's get around to the back side. Uh-oh, thing's jumping up there. Anyways, get by the back side. Back side is just a standard, your little foot stands. Ugh. That's it. Nothing else is here. You have your switches for your 2.4 gigahertz and your Bluetooth, or if you want a USB-C to power it or connect to your computer directly. I'm going to go with 2.4 gigahertz. And that's it. Great keyboard. Let's give you a close-up of it. I got to say, I do like it. So let's get a little closer so you can hear the clicks. You can hear me typing. All right, guys, that's about it. It's going to be quick. Okay, let's go next to the next section. Oh, that's nice. Very smooth travel. Oh, feels fantastic. Love it. This is great. There's your sound. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and go over a little bit. So if you want to change the mode, it's a function and tab, and you change it. As you see, it goes to yellow or golden. You got a purple, lavender, nice light blue, like a whitish rainbow color, red, green. I like the green. Ooh, but the blue is so nice. I'll give it the blue. You can increase the intensity or lower it. This takes it down. Gets a little dimmer. I like it bright. There's maximum. Function changes the effect of the lights. Function arrow. This is the speed, slowing it down. This will increase it. It's pulsating now because it's going so fast. Interesting. I like it at a slower speed. I have a little too much light in the room, but it is very nice. So here's the back side. Get your little feet, two-stepper, 1, 2. Very nice, well built. The body is made of plastic, hard plastic. Bluetooth switch here. Your Bluetooth itself used to be Type-C here. So if we go into 2.4, I'll take this out and plug it in. Okay, you get the insert here. And the back side gives you your shortcuts. It's very nice. Very nice of them to include that. Little manual, F99 Pro. Keyboard, it gives you the instructions on wired mode and Bluetooth connections and all the good stuff. 4G connection, all right. Cool. And there she is. So, I've had this keyboard before, but without the dial. So this time I ordered with the dial. And I decided to make a video for you guys. Ooh, she's kind of heavy. Nice. That is. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's going to look nice. I want to put this over here to the side. What else is in the box? Cable. Key, extra key, switches. Okay. Put this over here. All right, there's the opening of the unboxing of the F99 Pro.